To ensure you're making the most of your dishwasher, get to know the display and features before you get started. Your dishwasher provides you with many wash cycles and options to choose from. Press the Start key to turn on your dishwasher. To make a selection, press the desired cycle on the control panel. The LED light above the selection will turn on when a cycle is selected and will turn off when it is deselected. Then, press the Start key and close the door to begin the cycle. The smart sensor checks the soil level on your dishes in the auto, normal, and eco cycles. The variety of cycles gives you more control to customize your care. Choose auto if you would like your dishwasher to determine which cycle to use. The heavy cycle should be used for pots, pans, dishes, and dinnerware with dried or baked-on food soils. The normal cycle is for regularly soiled dishes and silverware. The eco cycle cleans lightly soiled and pre-rinsed dishes and silverware. For dishes that will be washed later, use the rinse cycle to help prevent dried-on food soils. The fast cycle is for small loads of regularly soiled and pre-rinsed dishes and silverware. The upper setting cleans lightly soiled and pre-rinsed dishes and silverware when you do not have a full load. Use the stemware setting for regularly soiled china and crystal. Your dishwasher also has a sanitize option that increases the temperature of the final rinse. Sanitize is available in auto, heavy, and normal cycles. Use Favorite to program your favorite settings. You can easily lock your dishwasher display to prevent children from accidentally changing the cycle or starting the dishwasher. Simply press Air Dry and hold for 3 seconds until LOC displays in the status window. To unlock the display, repeat these steps until LOC is no longer displayed. Status window display codes are typically seen during programming. It will not illuminate while the unit is running. Here are some examples of codes you may see. Min shows the time remaining in the cycle. Low rinse tells you when to refill rinse aid. Clean indicates the end of the cycle. The display on floor feature uses colored light to indicate what part of the wash cycle your dishwasher is in. A blue light indicates it is operating, and a green light indicates the wash cycle is complete. For more information and tips, including cycle time ranges, reference your use and care manual, or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.